single day thinking about content. But Keeks, well done, bro. People don't necessarily realize what goes into content creation and content just in general. When we started, like I said a year ago, we didn't even know what we were doing. Maybe some days we still don't know what we're doing, but we're trying. That's the beauty of it.
Yeah.
Keep on trying, and one day you will succeed. So well done, my brother.
No, I appreciate
Awesome,
it, bro.
awesome.
But yeah, Chad, I think it is going to be a good one. Very looking forward to the future. Yeah, just as you say, you don't do it for that, but it is very rewarding when we get there. So yeah, hopefully it's not the only one, and there's many more to come. But Chad, let's hopefully we can bring that positivity over to the charts. Let's bring that energy in. Let's get some TPs. We are on a roll here today. PPI coming out as called. So guys who were paying attention, again, I know some guys already that took the trade, absolutely killed it. So we locked in, guys. I said to you, this is going to be a W week. We're going to break some records this week. So as I say, locked and loaded. But before we get into the charts and we get things very interesting here, Chris, you're going to open us up with some prayer, brother.
I will. Chad, sorry, man. Let's just get ready for our prayer. Father, we just want to thank you, and we come before you humbly this afternoon. And we want to thank you for the ability to do what we love. We want to thank you for the ability to have a beautiful community here that we can impart with every single day, impart some of our wisdom, learn from them, and then also try and do our best, Father, just to promote your kingdom, your name, and everything that we want to do. We want to make sure that we bring glory to your name. Father, and I pray that you will guide us, that you will guide Keegan in this session, Father, as he leads us, and may you grant him wisdom and insight. And Father, we pray that you will bless the session. Pray that you will bless every single one hearing our voice, every single one coming onto the stream. We pray that they will get to know you, and we pray that we will always give you glory, give you all of the honor and the praise. And we ask this not because we deserve it, purely because of your grace and your mercy alone, in Jesus' name. And if you believe it, you can just give me an amen right now.
Amen.
Beautiful. There we go. Simple as that.
There we go. Okay, guys. Everyone in agreement.
Economic. Are you going to do the calendar first?
Yeah. We'll jump into the calendar first. So, guys, start talking. Let's dive right into it. So, again, on the calendar, we had PPI come out. Again, 0.3 to 0.2. Coming out 0.0. And your month on month, again, 0.2 to 0.2 and a 0.1. So, there we are seeing that big decrease. Not looking too good. If we're just going to keep it at that. So very, very bearish here on the dollar. Obviously, we called this one quite a while ago. We spoke about it this morning. Said to guys, we're not trading it, but that was our outlook for it. So if you were listening, hope you guys took advantage of it. In fact, I can just see on the screen. You guys can see it. There we go. But I hope you guys took advantage of that. Was called out beautifully for you guys. So let's get into the charts, guys. DXY. What are we looking at now? Very, very simple, guys. When we spoke about it, markets should have closed about here. Being that inside day, we said we wanted to see us trade above here, have that high of the day swept, that bullish momentum, and then coming back down. Obviously, there we can see it coming down very, very nicely. The high swept, trading back here. Honestly, I'm going to see a literal straight continuation. I want to see us go take this out, have the wick fill, a little bit more of a bearish move, and then coming back down. As you say, around about this point, looking for the end of day. But I'm going to be looking for that weak dollar. Going over to NASDAQ, we're going to see that obviously bullish momentum continue to hold. We spoke about this. Funny enough, shooting some educational videos earlier that's going to be coming out of Project G and NASDAQ. In the video, we spoke about this being a pullback to obviously hold this level of Asia highs, because we can obviously see since the breakaway wasn't tested, have the retest. Obviously, if we fail to take out Asia lows and get back above Asia highs, most likely charts are going to run. And we can see that thing taking some numbers and names over there. So on the 4 hour, when we look at it, just looking very, very much bullish, starting to come into power. I wouldn't be surprised if we start looking at that daily R2. You guys know the daily rule. We talk about the daily R1. If that's held all the way to the daily R2. So looking good over there. US30, pretty much a similar move, except yeah, we had the sell off again. We spoke about this morning. Again, I hope some of our members were in these sells. We spoke about, if you guys know, the setup B, so your level of resistance breaking down, obviously coming back in. So you could have already entered once you broke over here, back into a level of resistance, holding that, and you would have caught the massive move. Asia lows untested, and obviously targeting levels of zone. So either you could have looked at the daily S1. This was a previous daily low, so it becomes a nice target. But I mean, even if you were in there, I mean, a 1 to 3, you would have probably closed off even here somewhere. And now turning around bullish, holding that level back into the zone. So if we can hold this level around this time now, which we haven't been able to do, so if we can hold reject now for monthly S1, hold this rejection level as support with the Asia highs, we can look for USD to have that bullish momentum. And as you say, then parking the bus around about the monthly S1 by the end of day. Then going over to gold. Gold, quite simply, guys, for me, we spoke about this. We wanted to see us run over here, holding Asia lows, the big move coming back up into the range. We wanted to see, we spoke about this morning, that we have 2 levels. So we want to see this next level, if this could break, trading above, holding it. If this can hold this level, very likely we are going to go back to Asia highs and back up here. But if we fail to hold this level, good chance we could be coming back down to this level of support over here. So again, we are looking a bit more bullish, looking for that weak dollar. So personally, I would like to see this level hold and us to trade back up to the Asia highs that are untested. So quite a simple one. Obviously, we're not going to try to force anything. We know the main event is tomorrow. So we're just going to see what we can catch and obviously what the T2 has on the cards for us today, if it can go 4 for 4. So let's see, guys. But I'll let you know the minute we have our indication on that. But that's everything from me. Over to you, Chris.
I'm a B. I'm a B winning here today. All right, Chad, quick one here. DXY. Keegan went through the PPI. PPI coming out a little bit lower. Thanks, Dylan Savage, sending me the Excel spreadsheet. PPI a little bit all over the place, a little bit jumpy. So we're going to check what PPI is doing a little bit later tonight with the members. But DXY, as mentioned, daily time frame bearish for me, weekly bearish for me. There's a key level rejecting. Now back at Asia lows, monthly is one. Remember, that's where I said if we reject there, that's where we can get lower. There's that weekly pivot. We're going to need to start going lower very soon, one of these days. But yeah, that is currently looking bearish. US 30, very, very interesting. This morning we talked about that pullback back into the EQ zone. Massive dump to the previous daily low, all the way back up. This is very choppy, Chad. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This is a little bit of a chop fest, and it is taking some names here this morning and this afternoon. But again, if we can hold above this level, I think we are solid for the bull case scenario. Otherwise, we can just be chopping in the range. Why? Because we've taken Asia highs, we've taken Asia lows. Price does not need to go anywhere else. It can literally just be stuck in this range. So I think we've got a bit of a range day coming into tomorrow. I think no one is really committing. CPI is going to be a big one, Chad. Me and Keegan talked about it last week. Sunday we talked about it. We're expecting somewhat of a continuation move on the day. We don't expect it just to be one pump and then, for instance, the other way around. We're expecting some trending moves. Same with Nasdaq. Again, Chad, very choppy all the way back. Remember I said previous weekly high. There you can see it. Previous weekly high holding. I talked about it a little bit earlier, and I said if we test there, that is the level where we can potentially either reject or hold. But in all instances, the 80 stayed above the 200, so you should have been looking for buying opportunities. All right, Chad. There was the 200. There was your Asia high. After holding this, if you don't know by now, what significance a previous weekly high low, previous daily high low has, then join Project G. You will know exactly what is the significance of it. Going into the session, previous daily high, that's going to be our point of interest for the rest of the session. Daily R1, previous daily high, we can then go into a trending day. Otherwise, if we come back into it, it is going to be somewhat of a range day. Gold, very simple. I told you guys I'm bullish on the day. I also said that I'm not sold on this move down lower. Like I said, I'm not really looking for shorts. Didn't trade this move up though, to be very, very honest with you. The AD doing this, I don't like, Chad. I'm very, very honest. AD doing this and the AD just creating lower lows, that is quite concerning looking at price. Price making new highs on the session, but the AD is making new lows on the session. So there's quite a bit of divergence here. Weekly R1, previous daily R1. We should be looking for sells potentially. I'm a little bit, I might even stay out of it, Chad, if I'm very honest with you. Gold is not clean at this moment. I am bullish on the day. I am not somewhat. I am bullish on the day. Why is it doing that? Okay, there we go. I am bullish on the day. I do, however, think that we're going to close like this. Literally, I'm expecting this to be the daily candle. If you take it back to NFP, when was NFP? NFP was the Friday. Yeah, so I'm literally expecting a candle like that. That was the day before NFP, that candle there. So I'm expecting exactly the same candle here today. So I'm not expecting any trending moves on gold today. I'm expecting just somewhat staying in this range. All right. If we break out, that is also fine. But for me, it's not clean at this moment. The more I look at this, the more I'm like, we're trading above the 200. We are technically bullish. The 80 is not showing me any bull signs. It's tough, Chad. It's tough. But I will say 24.65. That's going to be my level. If we can catch something here, short or long, I will take it. But the rest for me is relatively chop. So, Keys, that is me. I'm just checking the...
Ooh, I don't know if I like this now, bro. Guys, T2. We are looking for sells again. This one I don't like, but I could see it happening. So I don't mind it. It's obviously not what I like because of having news come out. But to be fair, we did this with NFP. So we see the plan. T2 wants to sell.
Do you have the one?
No, I do not. Chris is losing our horn here, guys. If it's not on the shelf there, then it's probably under your desk.
I took it. We took everything.
I don't have it, bro. Yeah, I don't have it, bro. I'm telling you now, is it not on that shelf there by that window?
Where?
That shelf. And then same with gold. Nas looking to like shorts now. Yeah, the thing is, I don't mind them, guys. So my thing is, when you have a news event like this, it wasn't massive, and it's not gonna run away. So I actually spoke to a friend. Obviously, I spoke to Carl about it, saying that because you took the buys on PPI, and I said to him, but I close out these type of things going to reverse, and it did exactly that. So my thing is PPI, with us having a move like this, we could still hold this level and continue bearish.
I cleaned my desk. I had it this morning. Yo. There's it. Shit. What? Yo. Bro, do you think we'll ever be able not to trade with the one? Now that it's become like a staple. Yo.
The whole stream was put on a halt to find the horn.
Chad, yo.
But We got it, Chad. It's alive. It is alive. Bro, by the way, hold on. Seeing Etty's here, bro. Is it just me? Etty's been like quiet in the chat lately.
No.
Or is it just me?
No, it's just you. No, Etty was, dude. Etienne this morning laid the foundation with the peaches then. I still said Etienne laying the foundation.
Oh, okay, then maybe it's just me. Who is our top chatter now at the moment?
I think Bevan took it. Let me check quickly.
Oh.
I know Bev at one stage really put in a shift. Bevan put in a shift.
Has Etty lost number 1 spot?
Bevy put in a shift like a one-armed bricklayer
Def's
out of
Bevs.
Baghdad.
The Chad thinks it's Bev. Etty, have you been dethroned, brother?
Yeah, it's Bevan.
It's Bevan.
So
Bev is now number 1.
let me just show
The
chat
top
before
chatter.
before they think we are. There's it. Top chatter. BG baby.
Hey.
Bevis. But I think it's also that fundamental chat every day. I think that also counted for quite a bit.
No, but my thing is, as much as he's saying the fundamental chat, Etty sends the peaches. So Etty's also here early in the chat.
Yeah, gold just dying chat. There she goes. Boof.
Let's see, where's gold? We spoke about this,
Gold
Chad.
just.
Carl, I hope you're watching this, bro.
Yeah, I never. That was my issue with gold, is that the 80 was continuously making lower lows while price was. Yeah, gold. Geez, I don't. Yeah.
What now?
No, I don't think it's that lower band where we are now. That lower, if we,
Yeah.
I don't actually think it's bad.
No,
if you consider Asia highs above us, EQ, daily pivot.
No, Peter, that's exactly what I'm saying, bro. So even though it was a shock for me, that number didn't break minimal maximums. Because that's what I think Forbes actually was talking about this morning as well. The minimum was super low, so that didn't break anything. They priced in that already. They were waiting for that. So yeah, that wasn't going to do anything. So I always say to guys, when they price it in, when you trade news events, if you hit in that range, you're going to get the move, but it will reverse. If you break the move, if you break the number, you're going to get the continuation. Where, yeah, we're seeing that reversal now.
Alright, sheesh
So happy
kebab.
for
And
150 times. I caught the drop in gold. I just closed my position with $67. Hey, that's awesome, Thunder.
beautiful Thunder.
That's beautiful.
Thunder, your name is like my wife's thighs. Them Thunder thighs. Chat, anyways.
I honestly, hey, I really, out of interest sake, I would love to know how much of the streams else to be watching.
No, she puts it on like the radio, dude.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they listen to it like radio.
We just need to learn some like law terminology, and then we're gonna talk cack there,
Thunderclaps.
and then they're gonna be on here. Hey, what cack you talking?
Nah, I think they listen to it like radio. I think you can actually listen to it like radio.
Yeah, you can play YouTube as audio without watching.
But I mean, like we there's never a time where we just like sit here quiet. We always try and keep it engaged and chat, and we need everyone to call her to get her to listen. Hey man, leave my wife. Let her do her thing, man. No need to bring.
US 30 slapped my stop loss today. I was in a bar. Hey, unlucky, bro.
Domain expansion, infinite thunderclaps.
Unlucky. Yeah, I listen mostly when I'm busy. It's quite interesting to know, bro. But I think that was always the thing we spoke about, like getting to the point where you could have this run as like a radio.
Radio, yeah.
Like you can hear us talking about the news, the fundamentals, talking cuck. Just carrying on with life. Rocket Man.
Did you guys long? No. We don't trade any yen pairs.
I don't know what. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a bit of a random one, Nav. Eddie is the 3 men. Oscar is the whole. Oh, yeah. What are we looking at, guys? Still 3.5 minutes till market open. Chris, is the 80 accurate? Because gold is buying, but the 80 is going down.
No, that's what I was saying.
What's
The 80, that there's divergence. So remember, Chad, what the 80 is showing you a net between the buying and the selling. And when I say that, think of it in terms of accounting terms. You've got your income column and your expense column. So whatever the net is, that is what the 80 is showing. So if the 80 is trending down, it's showing you that the selling volume is prevalent in the market. So when the 80 is going up, that's obviously showing net buying. If the 80 is going down, it's showing net selling. That's why I'm saying there are a lot of cases where the 80 is diverging and sometimes price catches up to it. So that's why I'm saying I don't trust this. I don't trust the fact that the 80 is coming down and price is making highs. You hear what I'm saying? So that's why I'm saying I'm even happy to stay out of gold. I've shown you what the daily did the day before NFP.
Ruben, are you... Okay, hold 2 ways. Are you meaning like just in general every time I talk? Or you mean that specifically when I say cuck? I'm confused.
But why is it racist to say cuck? Chris, is that
No, that's just is he referring to just that one word, or like is he meaning like every time I say, like when Keegan says cuck, so every time I'm talking?
Jared, we can only play Rocket Man if we wanted to go long, eh?
Otherwise, it's chasing waterfalls.
Yeah. If we wanted to go down, it's waterfalls. Up is Rocket Man. So for longs, but we're going short today, so waterfalls.
Milan, the economist is somewhere in the economy reading books at the moment.
80 is a lagging indicator. Does mean anything. Beautiful. It doesn't mean anything. Thanks, Louise, for reminding us that it does not mean anything. We actually thought it meant something. Shit. Sorry, man. Chad, sorry, man. Louise just wanted us to know the 80 is a lagging indicator. It does not mean it. Dude, thank you so much. Chad, just delete Keeks. You can delete the 80. Thanks, man. We just wanted somebody to let us know. Ready for some firecrackers. Beautiful.
To be fair, okay, Peter, not all indicators are lagging because the EQ is not lagging, and neither is the pivots. Those are set at market open, on day open.
No, it's not Peter. It's Louise.
No, Peter mentioned that afterwards, just saying all indicators are lagging. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Technically, not all. 99.9%. Okay, we can go with that. Who needs the 80 anyways?
Who needs the 80? Chad, the 80 is just for vibes.
Just the 80 is like the vibe
meter. It's
vibe
actually
meter.
It just measures vibes. We say it's like a buy sell, but it comes back to if the vibes are high, we're buying. If the vibes are low, we're selling.
Exactly. So like when markets were trading,
the vibes.
This was a good time, guys. In Monday we were partying. Yeah. It was a jolly year. As you got here to Tuesday, the vibes started crashing because oaks were blowing up ahead of CPI. They're going to get their positions ready before CPI. And they were all just getting nuked. So they're just getting bleak now. They're crying. They're not trading.
Vibes are low.
So we need to wait for this to get above here. Then we're going to be vibing again.
Yeah. So vibe neutral. We currently vibe negative.
Yeah.
It's the kicks.
This is like an old person's party now. Now we need to get back to like a 21st.
Vibe, Keeks, markets are open. You can open up the markets.
All right, guys, markets are open. Round 4, fight. Ding, ding, ding.
Vibe negative. Right. That's the thing. People are talking about a recession. We're talking about a vibe session. Just vibe it out, guys.
All right. See what happens, Chris.
That 15 seconds. We could be in here already. Damn me. I know, it needs to break in, eh?
Yeah.
Sorry, I cannot, not
Well,
yet, chat.
either, but neither one hasn't broken.
Yeah, okay, sorry, yo.
Either,
Someone
but
got nervous here.
We're not in there, chat, not yet. I'll let you know when we're in.
Vibe Nation.
Yeah, pivot points and retest points are great. I like using ADX to plot real resistance and support. Yeah. Keys, you're on gold. Oh, damn, guys, I'm on gold. Look at that.
Where's the vibes? Where's the vibes?
I laid shot for that, bro.
Hey man, I don't know why people hate so much on indicators. It's weird, and I've been there, Chad. I've been that guy. I think it's who you learn from initially. Like a lot of guys want to almost state their ability to know what they're talking about, and one of the early stuff you say is like indicators or lagging. Yeah. I just use pure
we're
price.
looking for sales, guys. Sales. Yeah. We're not in yet, but we're looking for sales.
It would have been nice to be in. That would have been us done. But anyways, we're gonna have to wait here. Yeah, Chad. So sorry, man. The indicator thing. I think that's like you almost want to prove your know-how. And with you saying, "Oh, indicators are bad and they're lagging," almost now affirms that you know what you're talking about. And it could be further from the truth. Even a candle is a lagging indicator because it's showing you past data, showing you a candle that printed literally 2-3 minutes ago. Ooh, Keeks.
I'm not liking this, bro.
Interesting. None of it we can't go against something that's 3 for 3 now. Mm-hmm. All right, chat. 10 seconds if it's going as it's going now. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm in.
Yeah, so in, Chad.
Okay. Yeah, 60 feels so tight again, my bro. Yeesh. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, add it, and then yeah, could be quick. Alrighty, that is it, Chad. Seems today is the day.
That was a jump, bro.
Cracker. Alright. That's one thing about the cracker, it's not gonna play with you. Call it the nutcracker on a losing days, the firecracker on a winning day.
Yeah, bro, this thing hurts you, bro. Like quick.
Chad, yeah, I've got 2 positions in. Obviously, not looking too ripe here, but let's see. And then also, Chad, not gonna if it gets close to my TP, not gonna chance it. Not gonna chance it by any means.
Oh, bro. Did you add?
Yeah, I got a beautiful, precisely where I wanted to. So could be a very nice trade. I just wanna. Oh, dude, I'm even happy if I get to like 1% because remember I halved my risk. So. I can even get just needs to get out of that range though. That's my thing. Alrighty. It's calmed down somewhat from previous sessions.
Yeah.
Previous sessions, it was like hectic.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Yes, I don't know what to make of it though. I'm bearish on the day though. That is my thing. I'm bearish on the day.
Got to have faith, yeah.
No, I've got faith. Faith like.
Remember we spoke about this. So this thing doesn't teleport us to stop loss. It's a good sign.
Yeah, we're actually not asking for a lot though. It's not like we're asking for 4,000 points.
Yes.
We asking minuscule. But you see in that range we're holding, we need to get out of that range. And I think once we get
come on.
It's holding that range. We need to. You check it. You're checking it. Chad, I'm just letting you know, me and Keegan, we're watching a range and it needs to break lower.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we're in trouble, yeah. Otherwise, we're in trouble, yeah.
Oh. Come on. Do it for us now. Break the range.
Did you add? Really?
No, because I just went a percent, bro.
Oh, you went a full percent? Okay.
So technically it's still 2% on the line.
So my total risk is 0.75 because I keep the lot size the same. But so the reward, if we can get it, is... Wait, what is this one? That's 0.5. So it turns out to be like a 1.4% trade. It's almost a 1 to... No, it's a 1 to 2, yeah. It's still just a 1 to 2.
Just break that range.
What does dollar do?
That's all we need, eh?
Just that range break. I was holding that low, but let's see. It's still early days. Oh, let's see. Come on, cracker.
It wants to, bro. Come on.
Thing is, dollar is dying though. That's the only cack here.
Is dollar dying? I just want to see on a higher time frame.
Dollar is crumbling. Nasdaq is pushing daily R2 already, as mentioned. Could be a trending day on Nas. US 30, as choppy as it's been. Let's see. Yeah, Chad, there's a specific, on the 1 minute, there's this range that we need to break, otherwise we are in trouble. There's a specific range that we need to break, otherwise this thing is gonna bust the nut. It's gonna, in a bad way. But then I'm also seeing this monthly S1 level, which we broke above, haven't really tested it, so just coming
like
back
it really can go either way.
Chad, I'm just going to show you, this is the zone me and Keegan is talking about. We need to break that. If we hold this, trouble. Alright, so this is the zone we're monitoring. If we can't break that, we're getting busted here. Alright. Okay, there it goes now.
Damn.
I think it should go now for our stops.
Is everything else gone? Nasdaq's kind of ranging. DXY.
The only reason why I think it can still work is it's CPI tomorrow, and I can't see them taking this, doing like a breakout. But again, that's
yeah.
I can't see them running it before CPI day. And if it runs, that's just the game we play here.
Yeah.
So let's see. Oh.
Dude, bro, this thing is like chilling in here. There we go, fight back. You've got to. Technically, we have the same amount of risk on the table.
I still have less than you. My total risk is 0.75. But the thing is, I only risked 0.5 yesterday. I couldn't add. So.
Yeah.
So that's what's going to skew the. Dude, I don't think it's a bad trade though. I'm happy to eat the stop here. It's just a case of the dollar. Dollar's getting clapped here. Okay, there we go. I'm almost out. Still in. Wait, still in. It should tap it now. Wait. There we go. Out.
Yeah, there. I'm out, Chad.
Daily R1. 0.75. Yeah, it is. I don't think it's a bad trade.
Bad is bleak, bro.
I don't think it's a bad trade.
Where's
Was
now?
bullish
Daily
though.
R1.
Was bullish though. And we were both hoping for the bullish.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can't, Chad, here's the thing. If we wanted to go on a feeling the previous 3 days.
Yeah, then we would have got clapped.
Yeah, so.
Where can this thing trade to, bro? That's the thing. I don't want to see this thing run, bro. Like, if this thing had to run today, that makes things, 2 trading days in a row.
I don't think, I think very similar to yesterday. Previous daily high, previous daily low tapped. I think it's going to tap the previous daily high and it's going to come back into the range. I can't see it. Gold is now pushing up. Gold is now pushing up. Previous daily high, weekly R1. Nasdaq at the daily are 2 already. Gold, there you go. Gold starts to approach that. What do you, dude? Here's my. Here's the thing with gold. I am bullish on the day, but we've got CPI tomorrow. When do they pull it back and park it? That's my question.
On gold.
Yeah, because they are gonna park it.
No, they're going to. Like, that's what I say. I can't see 2 trending days happen purely because you're gonna have big days. I just can't see 2 trending days back to back here.
Firecracker. 3 for 1.
That was disappointing, bro.
Awful strategy. Dude, it is horrific, Louise. It is absolutely, you should fade us. Come every day, fade us. You're going to make a lot of money. All right.
We cannot talk truth here. Louise, my question, where did you come with that number? It's down. It had 2 banger trades at the end of last week, which literally made us close in profit last week. So where did you say week down? Just clarify that one for me.
No, Louise. Fade us, please, my brother. Just fade us. Don't ask questions. Just fade us. Should I hold it? I'm still in. Got in a bit. Menti, here's the thing. I don't think so. There's something we're looking on at the left, and it's holding that. So no, I wouldn't say hold it. The thing is, myself and Keegan were bullish purely based off the PPI result. Purely based off the dollar coming down, but as you know, the T2, there's a specific criteria for the bias on the session, so that just takes out the subjectivity of what the bias is for the session.
Yo, Louise, aren't you so clever? I think I'm just going to show you what the strategy is now.
Show us what it is then.
Yeah.
Louise, we're using vibes. There we go. We're using the vibes, and we sell when we see a green line, and we buy when we see a red line.
Oh, bro. Some of these people there.
No, Menti, I don't think, it's at this stage. Also remember, we talked about it this morning, that if we hold the daily EQ and we hold the daily pivot, we're going to go bullish, all right? So, again, the strat is not trying to swing. The strat is literally there to catch 60 points and you're out.
Yeah.
You're either gonna get a haircut quick, or you're gonna get a win quick. Like the last 3 days, the wins were quick.
I think he wants you guys to show him. It's not. I think he wants you guys to show it's not 16% down, gents.
No, it's 490% down, Louise. That's why we still trade it. Typically, when that happens, we don't see massive. Yeah, stacks. That's the thing. That's the thing I'm thinking, and I have to say, looking at the bar chart this morning, I told Keeks I shouldn't have looked at it because the bar chart has added an element. It made me think a little bit deeper, but we've got our bias set for tomorrow. We've got our bias pretty much set. Gold at this stage, previous daily high, weekly R1 already on a Tuesday. US 30 now. Chat, okay. This is where it becomes interesting. This is now where it becomes very, very interesting. Remember we said once we start breaking the previous weekly high on US 30, that changes the game for us.
You're on my screen now, bro.
I'm going to throw it on my screen now. So this is very, very interesting. Let me just throw this over. If we start holding above the previous weekly high, then that was the low of the month, yeah. That was the low of the month set. So your previous weekly high, remember your weekly highs and your weekly lows, big points for volume. These are volume inflection points. So now this could either be just the liquidity being taken, trying to fake out the bulls that want to buy the breaks of previous highs and lows. Remember the smash play, Larry Williams? This is just a weekly smash play potentially where you've got a buy stop above the previous weekly high or low. Or this becomes the liquidity being grabbed to then go lower for the rest of the week. Okay, so keep that in mind. We also mentioned from a daily perspective, if we now have a bullish daily candle closure today here, what do you think is going to happen tomorrow? What is this pattern that's in the Discord? Most of you will know what this pattern is. So you know exactly what that pattern is. So previous weekly high, things are now at a point where this could be your high of the week, or this could be now the potential break to the upside. Previous daily high as well. Interesting times here. And then Aztec, as mentioned, previous daily high, didn't even retest it, just a break above. Daily R1 to daily R2 could be a trending day here. Check daily R2, could go to daily R3, could be a massive trending day here. And then gold as well, daily flip zone. This is your daily flip zone. This is your weekly R1. Previous daily high. Yeah. As we said, bullish. I'm a gold bull. I said it on Monday. I'm not looking to sell this. But anyways, I just thought I'd let you guys on US 30 previous weekly high. Interesting level. Connor, please leave. Yes, let's keep him in. I think this is where they will park it. Yeah, Peter, or what they could do is they could push it early market, and then round about lunchtime, the guys just call it a day and wait for tomorrow. Says about I think they could run a little bit early session, but again, Chad, big one tomorrow. Big one tomorrow.
What the hell is that?
Bro, it's weird when guys make a channel yesterday just to come and troll you. The accounts that troll chat are usually created on the day. That specific one was created yesterday. So you literally go through all that effort to make a profile just to come and troll you. Beautiful.
Chad, am I the only one seeing this thing like glitching out here?
How do you mean glitching out?
Like,
oh, so mine does it as well. It's the indicator. On the daily, it's the indicator.
because I'm trying to figure out what the hell this line is.
Yeah, switch off your indicator and you'll see it's gone. So if you go by indicator, then switch it off, then you'll see something. We must chat to Frana.
Because I'm like, what the hell is that line? I'm trying to figure that out. And I was like, what is that? Oh, it's marking its own previous daily high now. Yeah.
Yeah. Keeks, you wouldn't take a jab at it now.
What, you study?
Yeah.
If we fell at the daily R1, I would.
If you come back below the daily or
Yeah.
not. Yes, dude. I'm thinking a little bit higher even. This Chad is, if you've got a bullet left. Previous daily high. Yeah, I'm gonna check here.
Champ, we use prop accounts for the firecrackers to test them on.
Chad, I might. I'm just letting you guys know. I might take a little naughty one, yeah.
Little naughty one.
Ooh, okay. Oh no. Let me just show the guys here. Keeks, take one with me.
Not yet, bro. Not yet.
Okay, Chad. Here's my thing. We've talked about it previously. There's a zone that I'm looking at on the left. Keegan knows what zone. And then we've got a previous weekly high. Yeah, that zone. We've got a previous daily high. We've got the daily R1, and then we've got the monthly S1 untested. You'll see that we broke above it. Never a clean test. Now I might take in the next 20 seconds, because this is now a valid little double top here. This is a valid little break of the neckline. I might wait for a pullback just purely based on how wide these ranges are. So if we get a pullback on the 1 minute here, I'm going to take a short. That's going to be my last bullet for the day. If we can come back to test this neckline. Okay.
How's that short going, bro?
Yeah, that short is incredible. It's just good to not be in it. Beautiful. Okay, Chad. Yeah, missed opportunities. Missed
To
opportunities.
be fair, guys, we said now if it closed underneath the R1.
Yeah, Chad.
To be fair, I wanted a retest. I was waiting for this. Was me now for once. I was waiting for the top wick to just retest.
Yeah,
the R1.
I did. Yeah, that's so.
If we retested that R1, I was gonna take it.
I just wanted like a little, just a little something.
A little.
Anyways, Chad, that idea is there. Okay.
We want a little something. To be fair, bro, if you break under that monthly S1, I wouldn't mind going for it.
No, but you check left. We would have.
I'm watching left.
Yeah, but I mean, we would have targeted. Yeah, that is.
No, but I'm saying because
120.
Yeah, Chris. But my thing is, where you looking at that, the whole bottom area is open. That is open, bro.
So bottom wicks and top wicks have been the death of me, bro. Waiting for them. I don't know why, Chad. I don't know why I'm waiting for that. I should just
There's your taste of the monthly S1.
There's that test, yeah. Anyways, Chad. Anyways, rub it in. There's your little test. Anyways, yeah. Chad. Beautiful. That the idea was there. That is so cock, my bro. That is so cock, yo.
Yeah, bro.
And then this thing, bro. If it wasn't CPI tomorrow, I would have loved this. Previous daily high.
Yeah.
Weekly R1. Look at that. Chad, this thing can run. There's that Asia highs we spoke about, myself and Keegs. Anyways.
You can do it, Crabbo.
I was hoping for this one, Keegs. This would have been a banger. I was hoping for this to just break below. There. Then I would have just executed because it's so close to the neckline.
Bro. I'm still thinking, I still think that, bro, the next level. I'm happy to take it there.
Oh, you talking about the next level?
The next level. You know what I'm talking about? If we break, underneath it, I'm ready. I'm holding gold through CPI.
Who's saying that?
Bev.
Bev, where did you get in, my bro? Yes, bro. US 30 Gonzo. Daily R2. Nasdaq is on a rip here, eh? Nasdaq is on a rip here. Okay, I know. Chad, that is the session, my bro. That was the move there. Gold. The whole bottom and top week behavior is new to when you start this. Ed.
What?
Ed, the bottom top wick. In all honesty, Ed, I don't know why. I think it's almost think of it as a pacifier. You doubt yourself a little bit, and then you tell yourself if you get the top or the bottom wick, you're gonna enter. And I think mentally, there's a very high probability you're not gonna get it. You hear what I'm saying? So I think it's almost a security mechanism for yourself to say, oh, if I don't get the bottom wick, it just makes yourself feel more comfortable to not take the trade, if you hear what I'm saying. Because Keegs on the 1 minute, bro, wicks are not going to be really big. There are wicks. This week was 20 points, which is relatively big, but for the most part, if you just scroll back, Chad, the wicks there's barely wicks if it's trending or if it's moving. So if I'm honest, if I'm thinking about it now, I think it's more just a way to say I'm not man enough to take that trade, or I don't actually like the trade. And now you say the top wick, bottom wick thing. In gold, it is valid for me. in gold, I have to be honest when I say a top or a bottom wick. I'm very honest when I say that, because I've had a lot of instances, for instance this now, where this is a valid continuation break, and now you take the trade on the break of that high, and you didn't have a bottom wick. This thing first pushed up and then reversed, and you actually catch the high of a move or the low of a move. And this is, for instance, where it saves you a lot of times waiting for the bottom wick first, and then almost think of it as a little slingshot. After you've pulled it back, it's easier to then shoot it out. All right, so there is value in it. Don't get me wrong, there is value in it. The only thing is, the last 2 weeks I've missed a lot of trades waiting for it. I've missed a lot of good trades where the direction was called beautifully, and then the wick never comes. Sweet wick, nothing. So are you going to take it on that lower level that I'm looking at? 39,467. Sheesh, kids. Okay, let's put it there by Keeks. You can do it, Keeks. You have to take another one for the milli. For the milli. Don't be scared, Keeks.
Chad, we're going to put on our big boy panties now. Time to be aggressive.
All right, boys. I want to see this aggression.
Time to be aggressive.
Let's get this aggression going, Chad. Get ready.
I'll let you know, Chad.
Sheesh. It's coming. It's coming. 38 seconds. Damn. The Mandums. If you love that at the highs, you're going to absolutely love it in 27 seconds. 22 seconds, Chad. Keegan's about to let it rip, yeah. Keegan's about to let it rip, Chad. No sissing out, no little top wicks and bottom wicks and little nips and tips. 3, 2, 1, Chad. There you go. There we go.
I'm only putting 0.5% on this one though, bro.
Okay. Let's see.
We're only putting 0.5% on this.
I missed my shot. I feel you ballsy to take it. I missed my shot.
This is
ballsy, bro. This is as ballsy as it gets. This is as ballsy. This is coconut stuff.
Come on. The song is a banger, boys. It's bringing the vibes here for us. We need it to come through.
Asia's. We just need to break back into the Asia's. Yo, Keeks, we're taking tough trades there, my
bro. We want it tough yet, bro. We want it tough. I want to fight for it.
Sheesh.
Mama never raised a quarter, yeah. Mama never raised a quarter.
Bro, that's balls of steel, my dude. That is at the 200, at the Asia's.
Come on. We just need to see this break, bro. This team must just break now.
That is madness, Keegs. Yo. Kigo.
We're fighting the entire retail community.
Speedo Kigo going for a short here. Who would have thought? Who would have thought that you can be calculated and a degen at the same time? Calculated as a accountant and a degen on a bachelor's. Please do, Keeks. I'm already in. Peter, beautiful.
Come on, Chad.
Sheesh. You said you can't give a trade another chance. Who said you cannot give a trade another chance? I'm short too. I'm a pretty tall dude, but these guys are short in the market. Stacks, are you physically short or are you short in the market? A calculated degen. I'm also short, 6 foot on the dot. Okay. Give me a top wick to trail to. Chad, I don't think it's a bad trade. Like
Chad,
I said,
I'm going to break even.
Purely
because we're on that EQ.
And we're on the 5. Oof, Chad, here we go, baby. Here we go. I said if you love it at the weekly highs, you're going to absolutely love it where Keegan took it. So, sure, Keegs. Come on, baby.
Music, yeah, Chad.
Listen and taste to let it teach you something. And down.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
And down. Left and right. So left and right. Up and down and up and down. Left and right.
Woo! Come on, Chad.
Down, up, down, left, right.
That's how we do it, baby. Woo! Oh, Louise, where you at, brother? Louise, come put your hands up, mother. Chad, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't want you guys to think I'm lying here. I'd literally pull up the terminal. I promise you that hit my TP. Like, I'm gonna zoom it in here just so that you guys can see. I promise you I'm not lying here.
No, why would you think you're lying? That thing still has room to
No, but I'm just saying.
Beautiful. Damn, bro. That I hope you guys didn't chalk Louisa.
Can you guys see this? Let's see, Chad.
Wait, let's go full screen quickly.
Yeah, they
Okay,
can see
wait.
this. Hold on, I think this thing's behind you. Live, there we go. Okay, wait, let me go a bit higher. Just so you guys can see, I'm not lying there. That thing hit TP.
Bring it,
you guys
Keegan. We
see
can't see. We can't see. You need to bring it closer.
Can we see there, boys?
Keegan, we can't see. You need to come a little bit.
Look at that.
You need to come closer. Come closer.
I am closer, bro.
No.
Look at
Oh,
this
there. Okay, there we.
thing. You see this little thing here? Look at that.
Let's go.
Look at that, baby. Louise, this is for you, brother. This is for you. Look there.
No, man. What is going on? What is going on there?
So, Chad, I'm not gonna. You guys saw that. You literally saw that. For once, FTMO actually saved me. For once.
Oh, Chad, it is beautiful. It is beautiful stuff here. There's the.
Yeah, then what a TPA, bro.
That is a little nipple and a tipple, and it's back to the upside they go.
So guys, no, I'm just saying because technically I wasn't even paying attention. I was jolting there. I didn't even notice it hit TP, but you guys saw there. I'm not talking cuck.
Oh, hey Louise, beautiful. I hope Louise faded you at least.
Louise, I hope you faded, bro. I hope you faded. But you know what it is, bro? Check Louise. Somehow his Wi-Fi cut out now. He's gone.
Peter, here's my thing. I did want to get in there. Like I said, I think honestly, that was almost my mechanism to not take the trade. So it was almost the case of I knew there wasn't going to be a top wick. And Peter, if I'm very honest, and I was thinking about it right now, if I was fully convinced about that position, I should have taken it because there was the double top. It was a high probability play. So I cannot even say, oh no, top week this. I wasn't convinced. And if I was fully convinced.
Chris, I'm sorry, brother. I'm just going to do a little video there. We need to put this video out here for Louise.
Yes.
So we're going to show the guys here just some determination and guts. All right, Chad. So if you guys see very nicely, very quickly, we're going to show you a little story here today. We came on, we traded, and we were like, you know what, it didn't go our way, but that's part of trading, but you stick to the plan. We then came back and said, you know what, Trust the process.
Sheesh.
Look at this TP on point. We're going to show you guys taking the trade with us as always. All the W's, yeah, in the chat, taking it live with us. There's the trade as always. Hey, these haters ain't got shit on us.
GG in the chat. Peter, dude, that would have been the class trade. Chad, this would have been the class there. And why is it the class trade? There's more probability from here to go down because previous weekly high, previous daily high, daily R1. There's a lot of barriers for price to go up. So, Chad, no, it was good. Keegan taking the trade from where did you take? Yeah, bro, that is big ass balls of fire and steel and bronze and gold and magnesium, titanium, all mixed together, and it's just this big ass hard ball, but two of them. And diamonds.
Hey.
And Quagga Smith's nose. Because that thing has seen some stuff, Chad.
Oh, bro.
Big ass hard ball. Yes. Bakgat Bala. There we go. Bakgat.
Yeah, Chad.
And maybe what's the name? What is it? What is his name that played with Victor? Buckies.
Oh, Buckies.
Baka. But Chad, I have to be honest. I think one of the hardest rugby players, and I think it was maybe before Keegan's time, Corne Krieger. You know Corne Krieger?
Yeah, I know him, yeah.
Chad, that man was sure. Imagine Bucky's Botha and Quagga Smith and Peter Steve the Toy. Weirdly enough, they find a way to merge their sperm and they create a little baby. That's Corne Krieger. And then just Skalkberger came on late and he just sprinkled a little bit of his own seed in there. That is Corne Krieger. Chad, that man is Brew straight history looking like Quagga's nose. Warren, my dude, Quagga's nose is literally an element on its own. It's defying gravity. When I look at it, and I'm like, Quagga gave up on that nose. Quagga said, listen here, we're going to go for that, a rhinoplasty after the rugby career. Like, I'm not going to spend money on it now. Keeks is Ergius Snyman of the markets. Dude, Ergius Snyman, I honestly feel like he's not serious about rugby. I feel like he's trolling, but he is so good that even at that level of trolling, he's still good enough to play test rugby. But I think if he had to commit himself like a Peter Steve the Toy, like a Franco Mostert, I think he can honestly be one of the best loose forwards and locks in the world. But I think he's just his mindset is not there. He's just there for the vibes and he enjoys the game, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if you take a guy, for instance, like Franco Mostert, I watched him from Varsity Cup days, believe it or not, when he played for UJ. No, I'm talking Kak. He played for Tuks. He played for Tuks, and I was like, who's this thin dude? He's giving like everything, bro. He's like throwing that little body of his, putting it on the line. And then when he played Vodacom Cup for the Bulls, and then he went over to the Lions. The Lions are the ones that gave him the break, you can almost say. And Chad, Franco Mostert, really, with his body, he should in all honesty, not be playing test rugby. Keeks will tell you, bro. Franco Mostert's body is like, it already disqualifies him to even be considered for test match.
Yeah.
But the way he plays, if you put Franco Mostert in RG's body,
Nah, very true. Very true.
Justin C, you know who Franco reminds me of? Dewald Potgieter, that was at school with me. Let me show you guys. Potty. Dewald was that guy. Dewald is even more aggressive than Franco. This guy here, Chad. Dewald Potgieter, animal, Chad, absolute. And what a lot of guys don't know, he is very, very intelligent. He was the number 1 matriculant in the Eastern Cape. This guy is he looks like he doesn't have brains. He could have become a doctor if he wanted to. He could have become anything. Number 1 in his matric in the Eastern Cape. Good leader, was head boy, captained the Craven Week team 2 years in a row. At one stage, he was the captain of the Bulls. He's just that overall guy. He could have done anything. He could have went to go play professional cricket. He could have gone to go and study. He could have done anything he wanted to. He was just that guy. Very good person as well. Now he's a legend, bro. He's an absolute legend. We'll never forget it. He was so in standard 6, you have to carry your matrix bag, and the one guy that was in the room with me was his pot. We called it pot and Daxel, whatever weird thing, pot and lid. But then the matric is your lid. But anyways, the guy forgot Devil's bag. And he walks to his room after the afternoon. He's like, bro, I forgot your bag. And Potty's writing exam the next day. He's like, nah, bro, don't stress it. I'll grab some notes from the other guys. And this was Skynat. What is Skynat? English. Science.
I don't even know what that was on Afrikaans.
Skynat. Okay, Skynat. Chad, what is Skynat? Anyway, science, whatever it is. Skynat exam. Chad, did he not like rip that exam to shreds? Final matric exam. That man is playing PlayStation in his room. He's chilling. You get the tryouts. There was this English guy, I'll never forget him. I actually feel so bad. Potty was the guy that was always like, he's on rugby tours, and he's like on the weekends, he's like at parties. And this guy was that typical, didn't do sports, was that like just in the books. And then you get a guy like Potty just ripping you apart. And it's like, bro, how do you still drink? How do you still go out on the weekends? How do you do all of this? And then you still rip me, and I'm just focusing on my academics. But yeah, he was that guy. Also very small, like very, very tiny. Didn't weigh a lot, but he just threw his body on the line. RG kicking a guy in the head. Fuck, bro. That is mad. Kicks, have you ever thought of doing the 2G strat on NAS?
When we did the back test, and it just wasn't as because there's ideas in it that are built around US study, so it just wouldn't really work as efficiently on
physical science. Don't talk, Ricardo. Don't lie to me, bro. It can't be physical science. That just fysische wetenskap. Jy kan nie dit sê nie. Physical science. Keegs Champ asking a very good question. I think
up?
what we're gonna do is Keegs will print me all of the trades is taken on the strat, and we will actually have a look at it, Champ. We must look at it. And we can. It's been traded for more than a month, eh? Or it's close to a month now.
What are we talking about?
I've been going my third week, the Firecracker. He's just asking about wins and losses.
Oh, yeah.
Champ, I think it's a very good question. We must check it, eh? We will.
Well, I'm going to check on the live market. When I did the back test,
Yeah.
when I came up with it, it had a 64% win rate.
Yeah, so
and that
we'll
was hitting
check
1 to 3s. So we have made changes to it, but yeah, that's when I came up with it.
Just coming back to gold, Chad. Nothing here for me on gold. There's your daily flip zone. Do you want to short it? Let me just see. Okay, the vibe meter is gone. Okay, there the vibe meter is back. Chad, it's still below that 200. That's what I'm saying. It's a little conflicting for me. It's a little conflicting for me, and then US 30 as well now, ranging at the EQ daily pivot. Nasdaq previous daily high daily R2. That's gold waiting for CPI. Chad, I've only taken 2 trades this week. The Firecracker, 1 win, 1 loss. Down 0.25 now for the week. Yesterday couldn't enter. Actually down 0.3%, down 0.3, just based off the slippage of that push up. So not down 0.25%, down 0.3%. 1 win, 1 loss. Today's trade gave us the ability to scale in. Yesterday's trade just went straight into take profit. So those are the only 2 trades I've taken. Gold has not given me the opportunity to trade. So still early days. CPI tomorrow. Beautiful Slushy. We will see you tomorrow, my brother. Gold has been parked. Gold waiting for CPI. Correct. I think all eyes are on CPI tomorrow. Tomorrow morning session. We're not going to fatigue ourselves. We're going to have a shorter session because we've seen it. It's not going to do a lot. It's honestly not going to do a lot. Keek, so tomorrow I'm thinking a nice, short, powerful session.
Yeah. Just lock ourselves in. It's a big one tomorrow. We focused on that. Just getting all of the admin stuff done yet, Chad?
But I think we can call it, bro.
Yeah, I think that's the session, guys.
Then tonight, what is Prodigy?
Tomorrow, out of my trades, have you ever threw all answered? Yeah. Hey, what a trade though, guys. What a comeback. What a comeback.
Well, what the flip? Keys, wait. Oh damn, no, I thought your profile glitched out here by me. Full screen Chads. There, gold is dying now.
Yeah.
Weekly R1.
Yeah, congrats on the 1 MG's keys, and I appreciate it, bro. Tell you guys later, CPI looking saucy. Yeah, definitely locked in for tomorrow. Going to be a great one. But Prodigy guys, we're going to have a deep dive tonight. We are going to let you guys know ahead of time, so just keep a look on the group. We might make the call like 8:30 or so. Just keep a lookout. We will confirm closer to the time.
7 o'clock we will confirm.
Yeah.
It's just purely chat. I've got a birthday dinner. It's my cousin's birthday dinner. I think we should be done everything, and I will be ready at 8. Otherwise, I'll ask Keeks if we can just push it out to 8:30.
Yeah, bro. The 8:30 is, I don't mind. I actually think 8:30 might be better because it gives me time to get back from gym. So
let's
I
do
like
8.
the 8:30.
Are we locking it in?
All right,
for
okay,
8:30?
Prodigy. We will put a message on the group, but
Okay.
8:30 tonight. But yeah, guys, good way to at least come back, round off today. As you said, this is going to be a big week. We're going to break records this week. I'm locked in for tomorrow. I'm super excited for tomorrow. Hopefully it goes our way. But yeah, Chris, any closing remarks from your side, brother?
No, it's CPI week, Chad. It's the biggest CPI of the year. We had the biggest NFP of the year last week. Was it last week? No, week before.
What was this?
NFP.
Yeah.
Was 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. A little bit of a week and a half.
Ago, yeah.
And Chad, biggest CPI. And when I say the biggest, is because it's going to determine the first rate cut after how many years. All right. We missed we've been in the cycle now for so long. We forget that we have not yet cut rates. That is the environment we're not used to. For the last 2 years that you've been trading, there hasn't been a rate cut. There's only been hiking rates, talks about pausing. Again, monumental piece of history going to be made after a pandemic, after a hiking cycle. So a lot of you are experiencing something that a lot of guys will not experience, say, for the next 4, 5, 6 years, 7, 8 years, okay? So these 2 years, write down, think about what you saw. I was fortunate enough in 2016, 2015 to go through that cycle, and I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like waiting for that cut. Are we going to cut? We're not going to cut. We're hiking. We're not hiking. Is Powell going to give us the Santa rally before the end of the year? Chad, I've been there, and I've seen it, and it's beautiful now for you guys to also go through it. This is all experience you stack up on your trading resume, okay?
Yeah.
But big one tomorrow. Rest out feels like a test match. I don't even want to jinx it, Chad. We've had a good run. Win or lose, we do our preparation as every other news event. We've got our reasons for taking the position we will be taking tomorrow. So again, we want to win. Is there the probability of losing? Obviously, there's always that probability. Do we do anything out of the norm because we've won so many CPIs in a row? No. We just stick to what we've been doing, and the result will take care of itself, win or lose. Yeah. All right. That's me, Chad. Peace and love, baby. We're gonna see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Chad. Bright and early. Hope you guys are locked in for it. Peace and love, Chad. Cheers.
Love feels so invincible.